Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not loading. If your videos won't play, keep buffering, or the app just won't open, don't worry, this is a common issue and I'll walk you through the fixes step by step. So first, check your internet connection. So make sure your internet is working properly. So tap on the internet icon or the Wi-Fi icon down here. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restarting your router, opening other apps or websites, and if nothing loads, the issue is likely your connection. Next, the second method is to restart the app or browser. So sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. So what you can do is close the YouTube app completely and reopen it. If you're in a browser, refresh the page or restart the browser. Now, method 3 is to clear cache and data. So, corrupted cache can stop YouTube from loading. So, on browser, clear cache and cookies. To do that, click on the lock icon. Now, tap on cookies and site data, tap on cookies, tap on YouTube, and tap on remove and click on done. Now, method 3 is to turn off VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN, it might block or slow YouTube. So, click the extensions at the top. Look for your VPN and disable your VPN by clicking on the three dots right here and tap on remove from Microsoft Edge and then follow the on-screen instructions from there. And then once done, reload YouTube and see if that works. Now, method 5 is to update the app. So, outdated apps can cause bugs. So, what you can do is to go to Play Store or App Store and update the YouTube to the latest version. Now, method 6 is to restart your device. So, a simple restart can fix many issues. So, tap on the start button down here, tap on the power button, and tap on restart. So, turn off your PC off, turn it back on, and try opening YouTube again. Now, method 7 is to check date and time. So, incorrect date and time can cause loading problems. So, to do that, go to settings, go to time and language, tap on date and time, and set date and time to automatic. So, turn on set time zone automatically, go back to YouTube, refresh the page, and see if that works. Another method is to check YouTube server status. So sometimes the problem isn't on your side. YouTube servers might be down or wait a few minutes and try again. Now for best performance, use a stable internet connection, keep your app updated, and avoid too many background apps. And that's basically it. That's how you can fix YouTube not loading quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.